Alright, boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a responsive grid layout like we've been doing and center it on a web page inside of a containing div. Alright, so let's see, it's pretty simple. So here we have a 12 column layout. On this layout it's a simple layout where we have the first row stretches across the entire page. So here we go. The header is in the div is a 12 column wide div, so the full length of the page. The second row has 3 divs. The one on the left and the right are 3 columns wide. The one in the center is 6 columns wide. And the third row is just like the first row, 12 columns wide. Alright, so what we want to do is center this div on the page. There we go. So let's see. Alright, first we need to make a containing div to contain these 3 rows. So I will put it here. Div, class, and I'm going to just use the word container. Container. Alright, oops. And it starts here, it ends here. Alright. So they're all in the container. Save it. Alright, so far that does nothing. Now we need to add some styles. First thing I want to do is give the body a background color so we can see where it's at. Alright, and then we'll style this dot container, and we'll give that a background color. White. Okay. So now you can see where the container div is. The container div is the white background. Alright, so to center this, it's pretty easy. You give it a width. And I'll give it a really small width just to begin with. But even smaller than that. Alright, so now it has a width. And now we'll center it. When you center it, we need to set the margin on each side to auto. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to do it. You can do it this way, specifically saying the margin right and left is auto. That's one way to do it. Or you could do margin. So if you use just margin, the order is top, right, bottom, left. So you can do top 0. Top 0 pixels, right, auto, bottom 0 pixels. Oops. 0 pixels. There. So that goes top, right, bottom, left. So if you want to do it this way. Or you could just do this. Margin. And you could just do 0 px auto. So when you do it this way, this is top and bottom, this is right and left. So any 3 of these ways work. This way, or this way. And of course, if you don't care about the top and the bottom, you can just do margin auto for everything. But there's going to be times where you care about the margins on the top and the bottom of things. All right, and you only want to do like the left and the right. Okay, and let's make this a little bit bigger. There you go. So I made it 1,000 pixels wide. Still, if you're on a regular monitor, that's still kind of small. 14. So here we go. That's not bad. All right. Anyway, that's how you do it.